Hello everybody in YouTube land. If you've ever had your Polaris 280 or whichever model pool vacuum laying on its side and it just keeps turning over, you might have a float ball that's full of water, which was the problem I had. Now this is only a $15 ball or so, no biggie, but I decided to see if I could fix it, so I came down to the shop, used a soldering iron, poked a hole in it, let all the water out, let it dry, used the heat gun to kind of evaporate it quicker. Then I also used a soldering iron and a bottle cap off of a pill bottle cap, and uses that as a filler, like soldering filler, and just slowly filled the hole in until I felt like I had it airtight. Then I water tested it to see if it was solid. No bubbles. Ready to go back on the vacuum. Free repair, $15 saved.